Okay, now we're going to have a look at questions 45 and 46. This is the information section for 45 and 46. So on your packet, make sure that you have that open and available. And let's look first at number 45. So number 45, the teacher has data representing scores of thousands of students. For each student, the data has the name, the exam score, and the final exam score, and the result of the points calculation. Which of the following could be determined? So let's have a little look at that data. We have the name, the midterm, the final, and the total points calculation. So here we have the average total points earned per student. Yes, we could figure that out by looking at their scores and figuring out what the average was. The second piece of information is the average increase in total points per student. Yes, we could also figure that out. And then the third part is the proportion of students who improved their total points as a result of the score replacement policy. Yes, we would also be able to figure that part out based on the information that is provided in the table. In this little snippet, you only see Khalil and Josephina's, but in the results that the teacher has access to, they would be able to look at both of them.